I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming language, and in this video lecture we're going to look at nested for loop. Alright, so nested for loop is a type of loop system that helps you to add another for loop inside a for loop. So you can create a for loop and go in and put another condition right in there. Maybe you want to print out things like a prime number, you want to execute something like want to get square of something. Just there's so many things you can do that requires you to use a nested for loop system. Let's go ahead and look at a simple example of this system. Let's say int x. We are going to print out prime numbers only. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to say I'm going to print out prime numbers from 2 to 150. Alright, so I'm going to say for x equal to 2, press semicolon, and x less than or equal to 150, put a semicolon and the x increment. So this is going to move from, if we check the numbers from 2 to 150. Now, after that, we go ahead and put another for loop. This is a for loop that we have to check the prime numbers, okay. So more say y equal to 2, press semicolon, and then you go ahead and say y less than or equal to x divided by y, okay. Press semicolon, so we're going to check the prime numbers here, and then y increment. So we go ahead and use an if statement to check out which numbers are not prime numbers. So anyone that is not a prime number, we're going to break out of it and move to the next. Alright, so to break out of that, we go ahead and say for not, if not x modulus, if not x modulus y, that means this is not a prime number. So go ahead and break out. Let's go ahead. Okay. So go ahead and break out of it. So break, press semicolon. But if you have things like if for anyone where y is greater than x divided by y. So use this to check this condition where y is greater than x divided by y. That means it must be a prime number. So go ahead and print out cout. And what to say? The number. Then the number we're talking about is x. So the number x is a prime number, or the value that is a remote number except the value x is a prime number. I press semicolon at the end and run this code and check it out. So let's check this. So let's draw this down a little bit. So the value 2 is a prime number, the value 3 is a prime number, and so on. So remember, numbers are numbers that are all divisible by themselves, and no other number can be able to divide them. Alright? So I hope you can see that. So go ahead and close that. So this is the use of a for loop. So what we just demonstrated is just a little bit use of for loop. How do you use for loop in your system in C++ programming? And you're not limited to this. So there are more to use on for loop, on nested for loop. Okay. So go ahead and practice more on nested for loop and try out more examples and check out things you can be able to do with nested for loop in C++ programming. And in case if you have any problem or any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.